tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name is Arno Penzias. I'm a German-born scientist with a PhD in physics, and I am a radio astronomy researcher. I've partnered with Robert Wilson using the Holmdel antenna as a radio telescope to measure radio signals in the spaces between the galaxies and the universe.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
We were attempting to measure radio signals found in space, but found that there was background noise not too dissimilar from that in radio static. We first thought that it might have been disturbances from urban environments or other variables near us, but after some testing, found that not to be the case. We had to conclude that the noise was in fact coming from the universe itself and not potential outside interference.
Where did the project or experiment occur?
Our experimentation occurred in Bell Labs, located in Murray Hill, New Jersey.
What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
When we started our research in 1964, the Vietnam War was still raging on. JFK was assassinated the year prior, and in the same year we were researching, the Civil Rights Act was signed. Also at the time of our research, Robert Dick had been pursuing theories of the Big Bang, which our experiments happened to provide some evidence for.
Who else was involved in the project?
Robert Wilson was my partner, who helped with much of the research and technical work in order to use the telescope. Robert Dick was also involved in the project as he needed research and evidence to help explain the Big Bang theory. The theory being that if the Big Bang did occur, there should still be some kind of residue left in the universe as evidence to that.
What was your role in the project?
I worked with Robert Wilson recording observations we made on a radio telescope and helped supply the evidence that Robert Dick needed in order to further the theory of the Big Bang.
What impact did your project have on physics community?
Our research helped the Big Bang become the standard model for the origins of the universe. It used to be the steady state theory, which theorized that the universe had always existed and there was no starting point. Unlike the Big Bang, which suggests that the universe started with a small singularity that expanded over 13.8 billion years into the universe we know today.
What accolades did you pick up for your work?
I picked up one half of the Nobel Prize for Physics with Robert Wilson in 1978 for our discovery of electromagnetic radiation throughout the universe, which helped further the theory of the Big Bang. I also picked up the Harold Pender Award, Henry Draper Medal, and the IRI Medal for my work in astronomy.